Custom-made window furnishings, supply and installation. Capricorn Coast. Walk straight into this business and start earning from day one, thanks to its excellent reputation and large customer base. Supplying a range of blinds, shutters, curtains and awnings to residential and commercial clients, the owner has been operating on the coast since 1991. The current owner likes to work only 9 months of the year, achieving a fantastic work-life balance whilst earning a very good income. However, with increasing demand in this growing region, there is huge potential to take the business to the next level. With little competition, this business can be run from home with low overheads and excellent tax benefits. The sale includes all tools and equipment to start work, plus orders on hand, currently valued at $200,000. This is a great business for someone seeking a flexible lifestyle with a good hourly rate. No qualifications are required, just a little bit of ability, good communication skills, and great customer service. Located on the Capricorn Coast, this seaside town sits halfway between Brisbane and Cairns and has a rapidly growing population. It has a boat harbour and marina, plus easy access to Great Keppel Island, beaches, boating, fishing, and more.